Jamshed Chaudhary speaking. Today we will discuss about a topic. The topic is type of gods in fashion. In this assignment, we will work on types of gods in fashion, particularly in fashion industry. You can see the image in which in all instructions related assignment is given. First one topic is type of gods, and subtopic is history background about gods in each area. Subsection 2 explain in each type sorted by year, and we have to give example of type as well, and in the last we will conclude this assignment. Here I am providing you a layout of a solution prepared by one of my good team member. Let's go. First of all, you can see that it is called layout page or cover page. Particularly, we can say it is a cover page, and in cover page we usually mention topic name and submitted by. Submitted by means submitted by the student, but here we don't know the roll number of students, so we will not write here. We will just write submitted by. And the next page, here it is table of content. Table of content is prepared in the last. After completing all work, we prepare table of contents. In the next video, I will guide you how to prepare table of content. First heading is history and background. In this heading, we will tell about gods, fashion, and here it is mentioned the start point of Goth's fashion is considered to be the 2-3 century era. Goths is named to be the one of origin in the north of Europe. And in the first paragraph, we just mentioned about Goth fashion. And in the second paragraph, we mentioned that Goth is a fashion that resembles dark and mystery. The person who looks to wear black, dark, and mysterious is called a Goth. Goth is considered to be very old-fashioned. It started from 2 to 3 centuries, and it is spread in many other periods. It can be said that it was the style and fashion at the time of black and white, and it was fashion that inspired people to choose dark, black, and mysterious like nature. And you can see that in second paragraph we also mentioned history of Goth fashion, but in different style regarding its existence and tradition to wear Goth fashion. Heading number 2 is related to types of Goths. In this heading, we will prepare many subheadings as required. The first heading is subheading is traditional Goths. Here I would like to mention that if you have intention to prepare a table of contents, and select heading style from home row. Here we select the heading style. As I click on this, you can see that heading style 1 is selected here. Traditional Goth, and in this heading we also put a picture of traditional Goth, cyber Goth. Here it is the picture of cyber Goth and romantic Goth, and we also mentioned one romantic picture here in the assignment because it is a requirement of assignment to put pictures in subsection as well. Vampire Goth is mentioned here. Here you can see our Dracula is about to drink blood of a woman, and fourth one is hippies Goth, and hippies Goth fashion is also mentioned here. Fifth one is travel Goths, casual Goths, and these are the subsection of heading number 2. And because in this heading we have to mention types of Goth, so you can see we have mentioned 6 types, and we have pasted 6 pictures as well. The next heading belongs to film of about God. There are many films published on different in different cinemas about gods, and here we have mentioned all about movies that aired on this topic, and the last heading is conclusion, and after that we have prepared references. Now I will show you the content of this assignment slowly, and I don't think I have to talk now. You can see that content, and let me know if you need to know anything about this topic. It is important to mention that whenever you refer a figure or a numeric figure, image, something like percentage, you should mention citation there at the end of that sentence and put a reference as well. I always suggest to prepare references through this citation in citation process. Here, New Gothic is in the range of 1890th century. So, my writer put mentioned here this citation have also reference. You can see the reference by clicking on the citation and going into edit source. Here, all information about reference is provided in that box. Whenever you put or paste a picture, always mention citation below the picture. Here my writer did not mention the citation, maybe he forgot to mention, but he should always mention. And this is the end of assignment. If you want to know anything about this topic, or if you have any query, kindly put your comment in below in the comment section, and I will respond you as soon as possible. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.